basically it was, I said that it was only a opportunity where a photo was shared. And I said that God should bless Goa. I made this statement. When what happened in that meeting, the Chief Minister was always silent. We knew that this meeting was to tell the Chief Minister, be prepared for Mhadei to be sold. And the Honorable Chief Minister was always silent. And it is shocking to see today, जो म्हणटालो की आवयच परस व्हडलो ही म्हादय माय म्हूण आपणाली आज तो म्हाका दिसता ही इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन अ लीगल बॅटल ही इज प्रिपेरिंग फॉर अ लीगल बॅटल why are you silent? Why are you not condemning the statement made by the Honorable Home Minister? Your ministers or your proxy ministers that are speaking on your behalf, why they have condemned it? Why are you not condemning? You need to come clear. You need to think as a Goan first, not as your party or your BJP MLA. You come clear. Otherwise, you have to resign. We had made our demand very clear to the Honorable Chief Minister. The House Committee formed केल्या. In that House Committee, are you all going to look at legal procedures? How to talk on legal procedures? Is that why you should politically take a decision? I said you all have 33 of your MLAs which are 75% to 80% of your vote share. Resign. If you cannot handle this, resign in the interest of Goa and Goans. Stop fooling Goans. The Chief Minister doesn't have an answer and his chaotic silence proves that he is unaware and he requires these event management guys. आज की चलना काल एक दिस आणि issue that we were given some junket trips to go to Madhya Pradesh on smart city and the honorable MLA from Panjim is also not involved. So this government is not related, they are only related to corruption, they are insensitive, they are only into event management, they are not bothered about Goa and Goans and Goa's interest. We at the Congress party resolved today that we will be with the people of Goa, we will go onto the streets, create awareness through our programs, through every constituency we will be going. Our desk in charge will also be with us. Tomorrow in Velim we will be going, distributing pamphlets on the awareness because हांव एक मागोता की गोंयकारान आतां जाग जावपाक जाय. We all